On June 13, 2025, officers were called to Tampa International Airport following reports of a battery incident.
How are you?
What's going on?
So she's arguing with this guy, talking about he's not supposed to be here, blah, blah, blah.
Are you involved in it?
No, not at all. I was sitting there with my son.
I need to see what's going on. What's the issue?
I was trying to talk to my old lady, but she's mad at me, so I'm leaving. I got a 10-minute parking only.
But what's she saying that you're not supposed to be around? Is there a restraining order or something?
No, we didn't even have an argument this morning. So they had a welfare check done on her this morning, and she left. And her mom said, "Hey, just go check on her."
Yeah.
Look, take my ticket. I'm leaving. I'm actually going to Clearwater right now.
So is she flying out, or?
Yeah, she's flying out. I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
But,
you escort me out.
Well, we need to make sure that she's good. So hold on. Just hold on a second. Just wait a second.
She just doesn't want me around her.
What's going on?
So my girlfriend, she bought me a plane ticket, a 3-hour drive to Boston, right? So I'm trying to get away from it. The cops escorted me over here because of my kid's father. He tried to kill me and everything. All I wanted to do, all I kept telling him was to leave me alone or I'm gonna call the police. I don't want no issues. I just want to get out of here.
Who did you have an issue with?
My baby daddy.
Where's he?
I don't know. He said he was gonna find where my girlfriend lived and everything. He went that way.
Okay.
Somewhere. I could show you a picture what he looks like.
Did anything happen here?
He kept trying to get me to go back there and stuff, and he put his hands on me and stuff.
Where did he?
Like, if you don't believe me, you can ask her.
I'm not saying that. Listen, you need to let.
I'm
Did
listening.
she say anything happened, or is this just verbal? He's wanting to leave.
Did he hit you? Stuff you like?
He grabbed me by my arm, yanking it, telling me to let's go. He's like, oh,
She's
I
saying
got
that he
$1,000.
grabbed her by the arm and yanked her, trying to coerce her to the corner.
Like, I wasn't trying to start no issues here. I was just trying to get on the plane like I was supposed to go leave away from him. The police escorted me here.
When was that?
This morning. I've been here since 10 o'clock.
Okay. So, do you guys have no do you have like a no
Yeah,
contact?
they told me not to be around him.
Okay, is there no contact order in place?
I guess she said something about they were gonna put one in.
Okay, but it's not.
All I was trying to do is get out of here.
Do you have an ID?
Yeah, I have an idea.
Okay, what's the argument about?
All because I was leaving.
You're leaving him?
Yes, I'm leaving him, and I've been telling him this. That's why the cops told me.
Did he like? How did he get here? How did you get here?
I got here because the police escorted me.
No, I'm saying.
How did he get here?
Like, what time did you get here?
I got here at 10:30 in the morning.
How did he get here?
I don't know how he got here.
He just knew you were here?
He just knew I was here. My girlfriend lied to him and said I was in the Orlando one. And he's over here looking up everything.
Go ahead.
He threatened to pull up at her house. He was like, I'll do 67 to life. I'll do 67 to life.
So he grabbed your arm, trying to pull you where?
He was trying to take me back there to the restrooms. Like, I'm like, why? I was like, just go. Like, get away from me. I just want to get on the plane and go and work.
So it was unwanted?
It was unwanted.
Okay.
Like, he's been to jail multiple times because of domestic violence, and he keeps going.
Yeah, she made a scene.
Just waiting on camera, but unwanted grabbing her.
No. Okay. I didn't grab her. Look at the cameras.
We're looking at cameras right now, bud. I'm not saying you did or didn't. I got to do my job.
She's saying I grabbed her.
Did you grab her by the arm at all? So if I have if a camera shows you grabbing her arm.
Well, I didn't grab it any kind of way. If I did, I didn't grab it like.
Well, fine, go.
Can you grab my arm?
No.
Can I show you? Like I maybe did. Can you talk to me? That was it.
But then why?
If I did touch you, that was it.
That's not a grab. That's a touch.
Yeah.
But she's saying it's a grab.
I didn't grab her. Because
So if you grab and yank, I mean, then
No, I
that's
didn't grab and yank. I didn't grab and yank
problem.
her. I didn't grab and yank her.
Okay.
She wouldn't let me get near her.
Okay.
We're not saying you did or didn't, man. We just got to figure that out because.
Like I said, I didn't grab her. I didn't yoke her. I didn't.
Huh?
Did you talk to the frontier guy? What did he say?
That I think he saw after the fact that they were.
Can you help me? I'm looking for Southwest C.
Hello?
Okay, so
I don't know, but she's saying that I grabbed her, and I didn't think I grabbed her.
How you doing, man? Hey, I'm Officer Richards, the Airport Police Department. I know my partner talked to you a little bit, but
Hello.
so can you tell me kind of just a little bit of what happened?
Okay,
or-
so I'm gonna start with this morning.
Okay.
So this morning, my girlfriend bought me a plane ticket. I got the proof to go to Boston
Yeah.
because I told him I was done with him.
Okay.
Because he's so violent.
And who's he to you?
Huh?
Who's he to you?
He's my kid's father.
Are you guys married?
We're not legally married.
You're not married, okay.
No.
So you guys have kids together?
We
you
do
live?
have kids together, and
you
even
live
the courts
together?
even said to him that he is dangerous.
Okay.
So
Do you have a restraining order against him or anything
no,
like
but
that?
I want to put one on
Okay.
him.
Yeah, I would pursue
So
that.
do you think I'll be able to do that from up there? Because he literally said while I was on the phone with her saying, "Oh, I'm gonna find where she
Are you
lives."
trying to establish residency somewhere else? Like another state?
I'm trying to
or
stay up there with her.
if you get up there, then you can, if you establish residency up there and you become a resident of that state, then you can go to the courthouse
Okay.
and file for a restraining order against him.
Because they
and then any
lost-
paperwork and stuff that you have, that'll use to build your case for it.
The officer this morning basically was like, "Stay away from him. Do not come back."
Right.
So that's what I was doing. I've been here since 10 o'clock.
Yeah, I saw you downstairs earlier, I think,
Yeah,
right?
I've been sitting here minding my own business, waiting for my plane to depart at 8 o'clock.
Right.
And he just comes up here harassing me.
Okay.
He's not supposed to be around me according to the officer. Because
Okay.
they're supposed to be putting in some kind of no contact.
Okay.
So
But
he's been to jail multiple times for domestic violence.
right. But as far as the
And
incident
assault with
today,
weapons.
okay. As far as the incident today, obviously it got loud and verbal, right?
It did. I
So-
apologize for that. That was my fault. I just
people
wanted-
argue, it's fine, but what we're concerned about is when things become physical, right?
Right.
So did at any point did it become physical, or
He did grab me like this, and he was like, "Come on, let's go to the bathroom." Like, why are you trying to take me to the bathroom for?
okay? So he
Like-
grabbed you by the wrist. I
Yeah,
mean, did he
like this.
squeeze really hard, or was it just
It
like a
was like
normal
this.
kind of grab?
Like,
And
I was trying to pull away from him
okay,
because I don't want to go with him. All I want to do is get on my plane in one
yeah,
piece.
I got you. And where did that occur at?
What do you mean?
Where he grabbed
like
your
right
arm,
here in this section?
like right here on the towel?
Yes.
Okay.
Here, you ask her. She wants to ask you a question.
Who's this?
That's my
Hey.
girlfriend.
I was wondering if this would be like security or officer here something about our plane.
So we have our own police department here at the airport. So there's a bunch of us that are here, along with TSA and Homeland Security and all that. So we're all here very close by. As far as like her having an escort, we're not going to be able to do that probably. But yeah, so at a minimum, he will be removed and separated from her, so she doesn't have to worry about that anymore.
Yeah, but this has been going on since last night.
Yeah. Okay.
Like, we're staying up all night making sure she's okay.
Okay.
Like, he's
I
really
literally
violent
told my
and-
girlfriend this morning to please call the cops because I'm scared for my life.
Yeah.
I shouldn't be
But
scared.
yeah, she'll be fine. I wouldn't worry about anything at all. Okay.
And I'm sorry, I called because I see her back.
That's okay. Yeah. No problem. I'm gonna give you back to her. Okay. All right. Just sit tight. I'll be right back with you. Okay.
Man, he look like
Put the phone on your pocket.
he's about to take me to jail.
Turn around. Turn around.
Put your phone down. Put your phone.
All right, come get me.
Put your phone down.
All right, no.
I'm gonna have it.
Come get me.
I'm gonna have it.
It shows that I touched her.
You have another pair.
Yeah.
No, I'm gonna have a second one. I don't want
It
her.
shows that I touched her.
Huh?
Does it show that I touched her? What am I being arrested for?
Domestic violence.
Touch or strike? So I touched her?
Unwanted touch.
Does it show me physically touching her?
Well, over here, yes, and then over there. Can't put your hands on anybody, even if it's the smallest amount.
Without any force or nothing?
If it's unwanted touch and you grab somebody,
Babe,
it's battery.
baby. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Where are we going?
I don't know. You want me to write it, or
I can write it. I mean, it don't matter.
we just don't have it?
I'm sorry.
We have to go back into the PD to get a car.
Sorry.
So.
I love you.
It ain't gonna be much super comfortable back here.
You gotta try to sit the way you feel the best.
Where you're gonna be the most comfortable. I'll help you get up there, but yeah.
you push me?
Yep. Got your back. Do you mind handing me the seatbelt?
Yeah.
Hey, can you listen one more?
Which one?
Back here is kidding. Well, it wasn't meant to talk, was it?
Unfortunately not. But
I can't hear anything.
Bro, this one's loose as this. I can't.
one of them's on its like last tick, so they ain't gonna get.
Bro, that's policy. I can't do any looser than that.
We'll get there.
You can't just like Bobby lock me?
You can't put them in.
No, don't rip that.
Huh?
We have to put
That's policy, Bubba. Brother.
Where are we getting close?
Can you put the window down?
I'll roll the window down. Yes.
I got claustrophobia. Can you do it over my head? Over my head, please.
I can't, dude.
Okay. Better enough. I appreciate that. Please work with it.
All right, boss. We'll roll the
I'm
window
so sorry
down.
about this.
Hey, live and learn, right? Just a phone. He wants to throw out phone and keys. Watch your head.
He was ultimately charged with domestic battery. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.